Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, May 29th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's jump into the price of Bitcoin because it did have a very nice day. So if you've been following the price of Bitcoin for any amount of time, you know that it's been below that $9,000 mark. Just recently, we've broken above that, and if we maintain that support level, we should see growth up to 10,000. We are now halfway there, sitting at $9,507.35, up 3.67% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is rallying like crazy, and I've told you guys time and time again, Ethereum will grow more percent than Bitcoin. Even though it follows the same trajectory, it will always gain more percent. In the last 24 hours, Ethereum is up 6.9% at $220.62. Dash up 2.5% at $75.04. And Litecoin up 2.7% at $44.77. Before we jump into the computer and take a closer look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, I want to welcome all the new viewers to the channel. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button and make sure you tick the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Now let's jump into the computer and take a closer look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you can see here, for the last day, we were sitting at about that $9,200 mark. And then again, as we did yesterday at 12 o'clock, we saw that same spike up, running all the way up to $9,501. Bitcoin got rejected at that level, dropped down a little bit, and traded sideways for a few hours, and then broke past that barrier all the way to $5,999. We did see a little bit of a pullback, but now I believe that $9,500 mark is no longer a resistance level, but a support level. Now let's take a closer look at Ethereum because I think there's something very interesting that I want to show you guys. We basically see the exact same trend as we did in Bitcoin, where it got up to that high, tested, got rejected, and then came back up, reaching its highest point of $222.54. Now let's take this chart out to 3 months. You can see where it was here before the coronavirus hit at about $240. Then it dropped down like everything in the market did. We shot up exactly the same as Bitcoin. And if you remember, Bitcoin was at $10,000 right at about the halving. This coincides with Ether hitting its maximum price of $215.20. Then we saw a pullback just like we did with Bitcoin. But think about this level really quick. $215 was the maximum price it hit before the Bitcoin halving. As you can see now, it's sitting at $220, meaning it's actually above that point. Now, this is the important thing that I wanted to show you guys, because if Bitcoin were doing the exact same thing as Ethereum or vice versa, Bitcoin would be sitting above that $10,000 mark, but it's not. It's sitting below it at 9,500. Ethereum has actually broken past that point, showing that it's having more percent gains than Bitcoin over time. And if you look at Ethereum historically, its maximum price was $1,400 and is currently sitting in the $200 range. That price difference is 7x, whereas Bitcoin got its maximum price at $20,000 and is now sitting below $10,000. That's only a price increase of 2x. Are you seeing the potential here? Let me know what you think. Would you sell your Bitcoin and put all of your money in Ethereum in hopes that you would get more percent gain over time than with Bitcoin? Later today, we will be going over the top news articles written in the last 24 hours just to keep everybody updated on all current events in the cryptocurrency space. Don't forget to smash the like button on this video, and we will see you later today.